Remove the range hood from the shipping pallet by removing the screws that are securing the shipping brackets to the pallet. Leave the shipping brackets attached to the range hood to be removed at a later point. Carefully lay the hood on its back. On the bottom of the range hood, loosen the two front bolts approximately 3/4 of an inch. Completely remove and set aside the two rear bolts. The range hood assembly consists of two components, the mounting bracket and the decorative outer shell. Separate the shell from the mounting bracket by sliding the shell down against the loosened bolts at the front of the hood. Lift and remove the shell, setting it safely aside to avoid damage. Locate the studs in the wall or mounting surface. Position the mounting bracket with the top of the bracket at the desired height for the top of the range hood. Level the mounting bracket and secure it in place using the appropriate fasteners for your application. Remove the shipping brackets from the bottom of the mounting bracket and discard. Install the liner into the bottom of the mounting bracket in accordance with the instruction manual for your specific liner model. Complete any required vent piping and electrical connections before proceeding. Install the outer shell by positioning the bottom flange of the shell below the bottom flange of the mounting bracket. Slide the shell all the way back, ensuring the bottom front bolts are aligned with the shell notches. Please note that the range hood shell will initially sit approximately 1/2 to 3/4 inch below the ceiling or below the top of the mounting bracket. As the mounting bolts are tightened, the shell will lift into its final position. Secure the outer shell to the mounting bracket using the bolts removed in step 2, ensuring the pre-drilled holes are aligned to prevent cross-threading. Hand thread the two rear bolts into place and then fully tighten. Once the rear bolts are fully tightened, tighten the two front bolts. This will engage the mounting clips at the top of the hood and pull the hood shell tightly against the wall. Your range hood installation is now complete. If you experience any difficulties or have any questions during the installation process, our customer service team is available to help you in any way that we can.